Here is the most important idea behind AI image generation. It helps you create pictures by describing what you want. You simply give the AI a prompt. For example, you might type, "Create an image of a robot teacher explaining Excel formulas in a bright modern classroom." Then the AI turns your words into an image. It creates the subject, background, colors, lighting, style, and small visual details based on your description. This is different from traditional image creation, where you may need to draw the image yourself, take a photo, hire a designer, or use editing software. With AI image generation, you can start with a simple idea and quickly get a visual draft. Then you can improve it by giving the AI more instructions in normal language. For example, you might say, make it more realistic, use a cartoon style, add warm lighting, make the background simpler, or create it as a YouTube thumbnail. The AI is not starting with a camera or a blank canvas in the traditional way. It uses your description to decide what should appear in the picture and how everything should look together. So the simple way to think about it is this: you are not creating the image from scratch by hand. You are telling AI, here is the picture I imagine. Turn it into an image I can use, edit, and share.
Thanks for watching. I truly hope this video helped explain the concept clearly. If you still have questions though, or if you have suggestions on how this could be explained even better, please leave them in comments. Consider subscribing to online training for everyone and joining a community of people who want to better understand how things work, build useful skills, and keep getting smarter. And if this video was helpful, please give it a like and share it. It helps YouTube show the video to other people who may need to learn the same thing. Have a great day, and I'll see you in my next video.